Chinese sentence order. Verb, object, verb, object. 喝水，喝水。Subject, verb, object. 我喝水，我喝水。Time, subject, verb, object. 昨天我喝水，昨天我喝水。Time, subject, where, verb, object. 昨天我在家喝水，昨天我在家喝水。Time, subject, where, how, verb, object. 昨天我在家用杯子喝水，昨天我在家用杯子喝水。Time, subject, where, how, verb, description, object. 昨天我在家用杯子喝冰水，昨天我在家用杯子喝冰水。Got it?